Hi, Grandma Joy here. Let's have fun making animal sounds. Do you have some type of animal sound that you would like to make? You can always try copying that animal. You might have a pet, like a dog or a cat, and they make different sounds depending on how they feel. And different dogs may sound different. Different cats may sound different. So you can work on your own animal sounds. For instance, a cat may meow or it may purr. How would you make those sounds? Well, you might start with the M sound for a cat, like meow, but make it more realistic, perhaps. You could go meow, meow. That might be like some cats, but other cats might sound a little different. Meow, meow. Maybe a cat is purring. May sound a little different. Maybe you have a dog that sounds like woo, woo, woo. And in that case, you might just let air out, like you're going to just open your throat and suddenly push a bunch of air out, right? Woo, woo. Or you might do a little dog going it can be fun thinking of different ways cats and dogs can sound. And you might have other animals you want to sound like maybe instead of uh, in a person's house, you might have farm animals that don't come in the house, like a chicken or a duck or a horse or a cow. I have a best friend who can do a cow so much better than me, but I can still enjoy making a cow sound and making that moo, right? So let's see if I can moo a little bit more like a cow. Let's see. Moo, moo. But my friend is so good at making a moo sound that she won a contest at a county fair 2 years in a row. She actually won a TV set, a television one year, by making her moo sound. And the next year, she won a VCR machine, which is like a machine that could tape something on TV quite a while back, but it still was a really good prize. So those are sounds. How about a horse? Neigh! Or what about a chicken? I had pet chickens for a while. You notice my mouth is going open and closed to make those clucking sounds, right? Or maybe a duck, right? How about maybe a sheep? A sheep could go ba, ba, ba. Or maybe a horse. Neigh! Neigh! Maybe you could have something interesting that's a wild animal, like an owl. Woo, 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 woo. Or maybe even a crow. Caw, caw, caw. Maybe you could have something like a snake. Or a mouse. Maybe you could have an animal that's in the ocean, like a whale. I don't know if those are all so good, but they're fun to try. And you could try them. You could listen to animals when you're at the zoo or maybe when you see a real animal. But it can be fun and you can use it for all sorts of things, not just winning a contest, but they can make other people laugh and have a good time. Hopefully, you're enjoying me making sounds. And maybe you could see how long you could sing Old MacDonald's Farm. So I could do that and we could see how long I could go, right? How about that? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O, with a cluck cluck here and a buck buck there and a buck 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 everywhere, a buck buck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a roof, roof here and a roof, roof there. Here a roof, there a roof, everywhere a roof, roof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O, with a meow, meow here and a meow, meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow, meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a baa here and a baa there, here a baa, there a baa, everywhere a baa, baa. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O, with a neigh here and a neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a donkey, E-I-E-I-O, with a hee-haw there and a hee-haw here, everywhere, everywhere a hee-haw. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo here and a moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo, moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with a there and a there, here a there a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had an owl, E-I-E-I-O, with a hoo hoo here and a hoo hoo there, here a hoo, there a hoo, everywhere a hoo hoo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a crow, E-I-E-I-O, with a caw, caw here and a caw, caw there, here a caw, there a caw, everywhere a caw, caw. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a mouse, E-I-E-I-O, with a squeak, squeak here and a squeak, squeak there, here a squeak, there a squeak, everywhere a squeak, squeak. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a lion, E-I-E-I-O, with a roar here and a roar there, here a roar, there a roar, everywhere a roar, roar. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a snake, E-I-E-I-O, with a hiss, hiss there and a hiss, hiss here. Here, there a hiss, there a hiss, everywhere a hiss, hiss. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a monkey, E-I-E-I-O. With a whoo-hoo here and a ah-ah there. Here a whoo-hoo ah-ah. Everywhere a ah-ah whoo-hoo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a bee, E-I-E-I-O. With a zzz here and a zzz there, here a zzz, there a zzz, everywhere a zzz. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm there was a farmer, E-I-E-I-O, with a hello here and a hello there, here a hello, there a hello, everywhere a hello, hello. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. You could just have fun with it. You can make up imaginary animal sounds. You could do your best with whatever sound you can come up with. It's just a fun song, and it's fun to see how good your animal songs can be. Just like my friend who won a contest doing mooing sounds for cows. Isn't that wonderful? I think so. Have a good time doing animal sounds. See you next time. Bye bye.